Windows play a crucial role in the functionality, appearance, and energy efficiency of your home. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to operate, it's time to consider an upgrade. Meridian Windows offers a range of high-quality, energy-efficient solutions that can transform your home. Here's a detailed look at the benefits of replacing old windows with Meridian Windows. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of upgrading to Meridian Windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often allow drafts and heat transfer, leading to higher energy bills. Advanced insulation. Meridian windows are designed with double or triple glazing and inert gas fills to reduce heat transfer. Low-E glass coatings. These coatings reflect heat and UV rays, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Lower energy bills. With reduced reliance on heating and cooling systems, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy costs. Improved comfort. Drafty windows can make your home uncomfortable, especially during Glendale's hot summers or cooler winter nights. Replacing them with Meridian Windows ensures better temperature regulation. Consistent indoor climate. High-quality seals and insulated frames prevent air leaks. Noise reduction. Meridian Windows also offer soundproofing benefits, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Increased home value. Replacing old windows is a smart investment that adds to your home's market value. Meridian Windows combine style and performance, making your property more attractive to potential buyers. Modern designs. Meridian offers customizable styles, colors, and finishes to complement any home aesthetic. Energy efficiency appeal. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with energy-efficient features, making new windows a valuable selling point. Enhanced curb appeal. Old, worn-out windows can make your home look dated and neglected. Upgrading to Meridian Windows revitalizes your home's appearance both inside and out. Stylish options. From classic to contemporary designs, Meridian Windows offer a wide range of styles to match your preferences. Custom fit. Tailored to your home's specifications, these windows provide a seamless, polished look. Improved natural lighting. Sleek frames and expansive glass panes maximize natural light, enhancing the ambiance of your home. Low maintenance requirements. Older windows often require frequent upkeep, such as painting, sealing, or replacing hardware. Meridian Windows are designed for durability and ease of maintenance. Durable materials. Made from long-lasting materials like vinyl or fiberglass, Meridian Windows resist warping, cracking, and fading. Easy cleaning. Features like tilt-in sashes and low-maintenance finishes make cleaning hassle-free. Weather resistance. Engineered to withstand Glendale's climate, these windows resist UV damage, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. Enhanced security. Old windows can be a weak point in your home's security. Meridian Windows are designed with advanced features to protect your home and family. Secure locks. Multi-point locking systems provide added protection against break-ins. Impact-resistant glass. Options like laminated glass offer an extra layer of security. Reinforced frames. Sturdy materials and construction ensure your windows are durable and tamper-resistant. Eco-friendly options. choosing Meridian Windows is not only beneficial for your home but also for the environment. Sustainable materials. Many Meridian windows are made from recyclable materials. Reduced energy consumption. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you're lowering your carbon footprint. Longevity. Durable windows reduce the need for frequent replacements, minimizing waste over time. Tailored to Glendale's climate, Meridian windows are specifically designed to handle the unique challenges of Glendale's climate, including intense sunlight, heat, and occasional storms. UV protection. Specialized coatings protect your interiors from fading due to sun exposure. Moisture resistance. Engineered to prevent water intrusion during monsoon season. Thermal efficiency. Insulated frames and glass ensure optimal performance in both hot and cool weather. Conclusion. Replacing old windows with Meridian Windows is an investment that delivers long-term benefits for your home. From enhanced energy efficiency and comfort to improved security and curb appeal, these high-quality windows are designed to meet the needs of Glendale homeowners. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consider Meridian for a solution that combines style, performance, and durability. With expert installation and superior craftsmanship, you can enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and comfortable home for years to come.